I'm going to show you how to clean the house using Dollar Tree products. So here is the outside window frame, and I am going to be cleaning that today. So what I'm going to use is I took a mixture of LA Awesome and water, and I'm going to scrub the windowsill with that. It has been a while since these windowsills have been cleaned. Don't you wish you could clean this fast in real life? This project actually only took me about 5 minutes, and that's including my recording time as well. After I washed everything down, I took a dry paper towel and wiped all the excess. And this is what the finishing project is. Next, I'm going to show you how I mop the floor. I like using Fabuloso, and now they have a new one at the Dollar Tree that has an antibacterial in it. Using my O-Cedar mop, I mix the Fabuloso and hot water. Now I'm in the bathroom, and I wanted to show you a way of cleaning. I'm going to take these little prongs up off the toilet and clean inside those. I know not too many people or too often clean them, so I wanted just to show you this little trick. Once I get those open, I'm going to take LA Awesome and just spray it straight into the little cracks and grooves. And then I'm going to take a rag and wipe it all down. While I'm at the toilet, I wanted to show you another one of my favorite Dollar Tree products. It is the Tidy Bowl Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Another thing I like getting at the Dollar Tree is their individual bottles of bleach. I like getting the individual ones because once they're open, it loses its potency. I plug the tub up to make sure that the water stays in, and I'm going to dump the full bottle of bleach into the tub and then run straight hot water into the tub. After that, I drain the tub out and then put the rag back in to clog it up and run cold water through 3 times to rinse it out. The next product I'm going to use is the Downy Unstoppables. I like getting these little packs because they're a lot cheaper than buying the big packs in stores. And what I'm going to do with this is make a fabric scent out of it. And what I need is a Dollar Tree spray bottle, and I put the Unstoppables in the bottle. I filled it up with warm water, and then I'm going to shake for all the Unstoppables to dissolve. I like using this to spray on all kinds of fabrics, in the closet, and on couches and pillows. So the last product I'm using is baby oil. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to put it on a dry rag and wipe down my fixtures with it to give it a nice shine. If you like my cleaning videos, here's a list of other cleaning videos I have. Links are down below in the description. I'll see you next time. Bye.